Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly mousse. First, you'll need to prepare your jelly base. Dissolve 1 packet of gelatin in 1 cup of hot water or fruit juice, stirring until completely clear. Let this mixture cool to room temperature, ensuring it doesn't set. This initial step is crucial for a smooth mousse texture. Once cooled, you're ready for the next stage of combining ingredients. For the perfect mousse, ensure your heavy cream is very cold before whipping. Use 1 cup of heavy cream and whip it until soft peaks form. You can add 2 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener to the cream for a touch of sweetness. Once the jelly mixture is cool but not set, carefully fold the whipped cream into it. This gentle folding technique keeps the mousse light and airy. After combining your ingredients, pour the mousse into your chosen serving dishes. Small ramekins or a large glass bowl work wonderfully. Place the dishes in the refrigerator and allow the mousse to chill for at least 2 hours. For best results, an overnight chill is ideal to ensure it's perfectly set. When ready to serve, a simple garnish like fresh berries or a mint leaf adds a lovely touch. To customize your jelly mousse, try using various fruit juices like orange, grape, or even a berry blend for distinct flavors. For an extra creamy and slightly tangy mousse, you can fold in about 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese with the whipped cream. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy creating your delicious, light, and refreshing jelly mousse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.